My co-founder and I, Meng, had been working in contaminant remediation for our whole careers. And 10 or more years ago, I think we were more aware of the negative impacts of PFAS on our global water resource than most people were. And when we saw an opportunity to make a positive change and destroy PFAS, that was enough motivation for us to end our careers and start Enspired Solutions. Typical methods available for treating PFAS in water involve filtering the water through some kind of media, such as carbon or resin. There is a huge CO2 footprint associated with creating that media, transporting it, and disposing of it. Enspired Solutions innovation is on-site destruction of PFAS in water. No media created, no media disposed of. It's a chemical reaction called photocatalyzed reductive defluorination, and it's very energy efficient. So aside from not having the carbon footprint with all of that extraneous off-site material, we are extremely energy efficient reaction. I'm very proud to say that our company is women-led and women-owned. In addition to that, our PFAS destruction technology is optimized for energy-efficient destruction of PFAS. Most other technologies that destroy PFAS are old technologies that have been repurposed. They were used previously for destruction of recalcitrant waste, such as nuclear waste. Our photo-activated reductive defluorination reaction uses just enough energy put in exactly where needed to break the carbon-fluorine bonds, and the reaction can be stopped at any time. When you obtain your PFAS target levels, you can stop putting energy into the reaction, and thus we call it a tunable reaction. Our technology defluorinates the PFAS molecules. The carbon-fluorine bond is broken and fluoride is released into solution. Our reaction is not thermal and it's not pressurized, which allows us to measure in real time the increasing amount of fluoride in the solution, which is a direct indicator of the progress of the reaction. We've been doing a lot of testing with the U.S. Department of Defense. They are concerned about the impacts of AFFF used as firefighting foams in training exercises and emergency response. They have a lot of contaminated groundwaters throughout the United States and elsewhere. So we've been working with them to test how our the PFAS destruction technology works on all sorts of PFAS contaminated concentrates, groundwaters, surface waters. We've had great outcomes, and because of this, the Department of Defense has selected us to do 2 field pilot demonstrations this year. One of them is on AFFF impacted groundwater, and the other one is even a bit more unique. It's decontamination of a fire truck that formerly contained AFFF. And while we are decontaminating the truck, we will be simultaneously destroying the PFAS. You will have an opportunity to meet our awesome team, and they can help you learn about both the chemistry and the engineering that optimizes this reaction to destroy PFAS. In addition, if you can tell us your flow rate, your PFAS concentration, and what your target PFAS concentration is post-treatment, we can help you do some quick calculations to what the scale of your system would be and what the cost would be, and that generally comes out cost comparable to treatment with GAC.